Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be making a rainbow coleslaw. Basically what we're making is a no mayo coleslaw with some lovely other added colours to it. It's really, really easy. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's healthy. It's wonderful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got some shredded white cabbage, grated carrots, shredded red cabbage, and a selection of colours of bell peppers cut nice and thin. If you wanted, you could be sort of playing around with these amounts. I like a little bit more white cabbage than the others. I've got a little bit of cilantro or coriander, which you can put in, maybe try some mint or parsley, salt, pepper, a little bit of sliced onion, don't want too much in there, and then equal parts here of olive oil and lemon juice. That's it, it's super easy and delicious. Okay, so in my mixing bowl, my vegetables, carrots, white cabbage, red cabbage, onion, bell peppers. Let's just get some salt and pepper in there. Let's get our fresh herb. Like I said, I'm using coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. And then equal parts I'm going lemon juice and olive oil. You could be using vinegar if you wanted instead of the lemon juice. Simply, we're going to give this a mix, and this is done. And there you go, easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.